What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. On today's episode, I'm going to be making a no-crust pizza. You heard me right, baby. No crust. Come with me and see how it's done. That's right, baby. The no crust pizza. Now, if you know me, you know that I love the sauce, baby. You know, I'll get a pizza from somewhere or make one at home and I say, man, that was good, but there's always just a little too much bread for me. Even if I go thin crust, deep dish, doesn't matter. Too much bread. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to cut out the middleman and take the bread out altogether. So pretty much, you know, it's like the toppings you would have on a pizza, just no crust. Perfect, man. I thought about putting some pasta in there. I said, fuck it, because that's just going to get in my way too, baby. Get in the way of the good stuff that I want. So, we're going to go like kind of like a supreme pizza here. So, you know, pork, pepperoni, green peppers, some onions, mushrooms, black olives, and of course, the sauce, baby. Because the sauce is the boss. So, the first thing we'll do is go ahead and start with our pork. We'll get it in this pan, get it kind of ground up and get it cooked, drain it off. Then we can cut our vegetables up and get everything drained, add it together, and it's going to be good, baby. We'll put some cheese on top, and it's going to be delicious. You might, you know, you're listening to me now and you say, Black Iowa, you crazy. I tell you what, you're right. But I'm crazy like a fox. I'm going to be making this shit good today, boy. So, let's go ahead and get crack-a-lacking with that pork. Yeah, baby. Alright, go ahead and put your pork right down there in that pan, baby. I know it don't look too good now, but it's gonna look good when you're done with it. Go ahead and flatten it out like I'm doing here. Try to break it up. It's got a little bit of different texture than the ground beef does. You have to work with it a little bit, but I know you'll get there. Yeah, get it flat, just like that. Put the lid on if you got one, but if not, just cook it open like I'm doing right here. Yeah, break it up, and once you hear it sizzle, you want to turn it down a little. Don't want to burn them edges, baby. You know, all in all, it'll take you about 10 minutes to get this pork done. Once you get it done, you can drain it off and set it to the side, and we'll go ahead and stir in our green peppers over here. Go ahead and take that seed pod out. You know, we've done this a million times together. You should be a pro at this by now. Cut that white part out right there. You don't want that nasty shit. Get rid of that right away. And cut the slivers. And that's always gonna make it deliver, baby. Gonna make it taste good. Chop it up in little pieces. You know, like I said, we've done this many times. Y'all know how it goes. Once you get your green peppers cut up, you go ahead and add your onion. But I'm not gonna add an onion today because I thought about it, and my old lady, she hates onions, so I'm not gonna do that because I'll hear it all night. So go ahead and pour your pork in there. Then you can add your green peppers. And next, we'll go ahead and take our can of black olives that we got and put those in there too. You want to make sure and drain those black olives off before you put them in there. You can get the slice to the whole. You know, whichever way you want to do it. I'll love it either way. Take your mushrooms and do the same thing. Drain them off and dump them right in there with the whole mix. Yeah, looks good already, doesn't it? Next, we're going to add our sauce. Put the first can in there, and then add your second can. Go ahead and mix it all up and make sure that everything gets covered and everything's mixed evenly. You know, you want a little bit of everything in every bite, baby. That's the key to success. Once you get it all mixed up and looking good, go ahead and flatten it out. Make it lay even like that. And then we can go ahead and take our cheese and sprinkle it on there. And be generous with the cheese too, because you want it to melt down and melt through the whole thing. You could also do this in the oven if you wanted to, but I'm going to do it in my skillet today. If you want to do it in the oven, just get a pan and put it in there and do the same thing. Go ahead and line those pepperonis up. Single file, sir. Single file. Line up and be quiet, just like they told us in school. Throw a little bit to the dog while you wait. Good catch, buddy. You know, maybe 25 minutes later, 20 minutes later, that bad boy's done, and I'm ready to have some fun. Alright, baby, the time has come. The no crust pizza is done, and I'm having the first bite for me. Man, I wish y'all could smell this thing. Smells like Tony's Pizzeria in here, baby. Try to get a little bit of everything. You know how I taught you, baby. You got to get a little bit of everything in one bite. The first bite, the best bite. Oh, man. Oh, baby. That's good shit. Exactly how I imagined it in my mind. You know, I never made this before. I kind of sat down and thought this up the other night, man. Turned out just like I thought it would. Turned out better than I thought it would. That's good shit. That's one I'll make again. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on YouTube. Y'all have a good one. Peace, baby.